Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and today I'll be teaching you how to use your Google Keepnote. I am Balkis Amzat. So Google Keepnote is one amazing app that I have always used for creating content, and it helps me keep track of what I need to do. So it doesn't need you to have your data on. You can always do all of the things you want to do without, like, let me say 90% of what you need to do without having your data on, including copying your work to your Google Docs. So let's say this is something I want to work on later on my system. All I need to do is copy it to Google Docs. So I need to be online to do that. That's one. Another thing I need to be online to do is to share my work with people. So if I decide that I want to, okay, if I'll have to have collaborators one by one. But if I'm going to share, there is something called, the features include labeling. So let me say I'm creating a new slide. This is the title. This is where I write all of the things I need to write. Now when I click on this, there is check boxes. So if there are things I need to do for the day, I can have them written here. And every time I check on, okay, so let me say read, let me say post on YouTube, let me say create poll, let me say send BC, let me say have breakfast. So once I am done, I just click on, oh yes, I'm done with this, yes, I'm done with this, yes, I'm done with this, yes, I'm done with this. Okay, now this is all that is left. So you can have all of the things you want to do in your Google distance. So another thing you can use it for is to draw. So let me show you how to do that. You can just, S B H, you can all of you who does sketches, so this is for you. Okay, so another thing you can do with it is add image. When you click on add image, it takes you to your gallery. Let me see what I have there. So if I want to add something like this, it shows up here. Another way to use your Google Keep Note is to take photos. You can just use it to take photos of anything. Okay, this is my palm, and boom, I have it, and it automatically goes to my Google Keep Note. Now I can write too, despite all of what I have done. I can write, and that's one of the beauty of Google Keep Note. I should be able to write. Okay, because I have a checklist, I can write. Sorry, that was a mistake on my part. So if I want to, so now that you know all of the things you can use it for, you can then say, okay, this is the color I want on this particular, on my work. So when I put this is what happens when I change it. I can always change colors, anything at any time. So labels are very important part of Google Keep Notes, because it helps you have everything in categories, and which is very important. It keeps your work organized. You don't just want to write and leave everything all scattered, and you have to start looking for what is what. I'm sorry, Etel. So when you create label, you see these are the labels that I have earlier, but I can create another one. So let me just say new book, right? New, okay, no, let me say YouTube. Okay, great. So once I've created that, that's just this. Once I click it, that's the end of it. And then you see at the bottom of this particular old thing that I wrote, you see YouTube. So these are labels. All of these lines, this numbered inside, active listening, so all of those are labels. So you can add more than one label to every work that you do. And let me look for it. You can just click here, sorry, no, click here, click on labels, and you can see, okay, growth. So it will automatically show here growth and numbered insight. So those are the labels. You can archive your work, it will show you. You can undo the archive. You can as well change the setting privacy. This shows you most of what you have, unlike this other form, the grid format. So another thing is you can add almost all of your email, all of your emails to it, and you can always use each of them to create whatever. Probably there's a personal thing you want to create on this particular email, and also, and everything can just be on that one app. You don't need to go outside your comfort zone. So reminders, you can set reminders with your, so let me say I want to set reminder that I need to, if it's a place, so I have to put place for later. No, sorry. If it's time, okay, I want to do so thing at so time, and that's just it. You get it. So that's how that works. So I've shown you checkboxes. Yes, to send your work, you can either send it to Google, copy Google to Google Docs or via other apps. So probably there's something I've written and I want to post on Instagram. I can just say send via other apps, and it will show me Instagram and all of the other apps I have on my phone that can accept that work, and that's how it works. So automatically it means I can only send things to people's chats on Instagram. I cannot send to my feed, which is a nice one too. And then there is also that I can send to my Gmail, I can send to my WhatsApp, Telegram, and all. Another thing is you can share your work with somebody for them to probably edit and give you feedback and all you need to do is click on collaborator, add the person's email, save. They will automatically get a message that they have something to check in their Google Keepnote, and they can click on the link from their side and automatically enter that particular work of yours, and you guys can still go back and forth with whatever it is, because whatever thing they do to that thing you automatically see it too. Okay, so empty not discarded because I wrote nothing in there. That's just it about settings. Add new items to bottom. No, no. Move checked items to bottom. Yes. Display which link. If you put any link into your work, it will automatically show it and all. So you can share your work. You can change the theme and all. Do let me see. Wow, I've never used this. This is my first time of going through that, and this is beautiful. I love it. So let's see, what would it look like? Oh my god, I love it. So that's just how everything works here. Let me see if you can still put pictures. The pictures will not be that nice anymore, but then it's still nice. It's still nice. It's a good one that you get to do all of those things, so you don't have to worry about I am not with my system, I am not with this, I want to do this, I want to do that. Just go to your Google Keep Notes, drop everything you need to drop there. You can even copy things from your WhatsApp and all into this place. If you are the type that write on your WhatsApp status every time, you can put those things inside. You can just copy them and bring them here to have it organized and all. So that's just all about using using Google Keepnote. Sorry, I have a whole lot of things on this particular account. I have a whole lot, and that is just it. So just click here and you're free to go to anywhere you want to go to. So thank you for watching. You can do your work. You can always add me to your collaborators, and let's see what's up. Enjoy. Did not talk about earlier, which is pin. When you pin any post, it's going to be at the top. So let me say this is pin. You pin, it is going to be at the top most this thing on your your dashboard. So when you click on notes, you see that particular work at the top. No matter what you write, it's except you pin them, they won't be at it. They will just keep following. But if there is something you want, like okay, so this is a pinned chart. I think I need to change this name back to the white column, right? It used to be that no light. Oh, thank God. So you get it. So once you press pin, you can pin as many charts as you want. This is pinned. You see pinned. I can pin this too. Let me see. Pin this one. I think I can do everything I want to do all at once. Click this. Click this. Click this. Just pin them. So you can pin as much as you want. That's just the beauty of we have here.